Okay, so we've gotten to the portion of the video that you've all been waiting for. The how do I prevent hyperpigmentation? How do I reduce my hyperpigmentation and dark spots? What do I need to do to make this stuff go away? You got it? I'm ready. Let's do it. We're diving right in. The first thing you need to do is use SPF. I know I sound like a broken record. I talk about SPF, I think, in every single video that I make. But there is a reason why, my friends. I don't do it for fun, but SPF is so incredibly crucial and important to prevent the marks that you already have on your face from worsening and from preventing marks coming at all. If you're trying to avoid hyperpigmentation, use SPF on the daily. My favorite one at the moment is the Supergoop Everyday Sunscreen in SPF 50. This thing is amazing. It really goes on like a lotion, feels like a light cream. It's really moisturizing, and it doesn't leave, I know it's kind of nerve-wracking for people of color because sometimes sunscreens can leave like a white mark cast on your face. This sunscreen does not do that, and it's really strong sunscreen. It's SPF 50. I highly recommend it. My second tip for preventing and reducing hyperpigmentation: niacinamide, aka vitamin B3. It's best known by dermatologists for its skin cancer prevention capabilities, but it's also really great at preventing acne and treating acne, and there's even evidence that suggests that it can reduce wrinkles and fine lines. But for our purposes, and most importantly today, it is also perfect for preventing hyperpigmentation because it stimulates the cellular reactions in your skin that promote healing and damage repair. That is key because when you have a dark spot or when you have hyperpigmentation, it's usually caused by some sort of damage to your skin. So when you're feeding your skin niacinamide or vitamin B3, it promotes your skin's natural abilities to heal. And that's exactly what you want to do to prevent and to improve pre-existing hyperpigmentation. Heal it. Now, my favorite niacinamide is the Paula's Choice 10% niacinamide. That's this one right here. It's a booster, so you can add it to other products and ingredients. They also have a 20% niacinamide. The 10% is if you have a milder case of hyperpigmentation or dark spots. But I highly recommend the 20% niacinamide for anyone who has age spots, like prevalent sunspots, or if your hyperpigmentation is not mild but it's actually like really all over your face, it's really dark and you're having a tough time getting it to go away, the 20% niacinamide is the way to go. Okay, tip number 3 for getting rid of hyperpigmentation is to look for face acids or skin acids. The way that they work is by exfoliating or shedding the top layer of your skin. And whenever you exfoliate your skin, new cells emerge that take the place of the old ones. Now, this process is incredible at evening out your skin tone and making it overall way more smooth, which is exactly what you're looking for when you're trying to get rid of hyperpigmentation. You want to get rid of that dead skin, old skin, that dark spot that's there. You want to remove it, and face acids and skin acids are a very gentle and effective way of doing that. You want to look for products that contain AHAs or alpha hydroxy acids, so products with glycolic acid, lactic acid, or citric acid. One of the products that I am obsessed with and that really has helped my hyperpigmentation a ton is the Skinergy Come Correct Serum. This product right here is a lifesaver, and it has glycolic acid, 1% glycolic acid. So it's not too strong, it's not overbearing, it's super gentle on my skin, but it really works to help heal my skin and remove all of the hyperpigmentation. Another product you want to look out for is you want to find products that contain vitamin C. Vitamin C is an amazing form of getting rid of hyperpigmentation. You want to look for it when it has L-ascorbic acid. I use this is the Herb RX Even Skin Tone Super Glow Serum. It's jam-packed with vitamin C. It also has kojic acid, and I keep this in the fridge because vitamin C is a little bit temperamental and fluctuates with the temperature, so I keep it in my refrigerator just so that I can protect the integrity of the product. But it brightens your skin, it makes your skin look like you're glowing from the inside out, and it also really helps with healing hyperpigmentation. Tip number 4 for getting rid of hyperpigmentation is to use retinoids derived from vitamin A. Now, retinoids are among the most researched ingredients by dermatologists, and they are extremely effective at getting rid of wrinkles and preventing fine lines. But they're also amazing because their small molecular structure allows them to penetrate your skin deeply past the epidermis layer, which really helps create change and impact the health of your skin at a cellular level. My favorite retinoid is the Ordinary's Grand Active Retinoid in 2%. It's so incredibly gentle on the skin. The way that you want to use a retinoid is by increasing the percentage. They even sell a 0.5 if I'm not mistaken, and you can then work your way up. Alternate every other night so that your skin can adjust to it. But it's also the type of product that you want to use on a consistent basis after a couple of weeks, because that's when you will see the most benefits. Long term, if you use it sporadically, you won't really see the benefits, but it's definitely an amazing choice when it comes to healing your hyperpigmentation. Now, I know that using a ton of different products to heal your hyperpigmentation can be a bit overwhelming. It's not, always the best option if you're trying to save some coins, and it's also not the best option if you're trying to save some time. So if you are not the type of person who wants to use a million different products to heal your hyperpigmentation and to help target other skin concerns, I think it's a really good idea to try to find a product that contains a lot of ingredients that focus on targeting specific issues like hyperpigmentation, brightening your skin tone, evening your skin tone, etc. When I was crafting my skincare line Sunkissed, that was my main purpose. I wanted to create multi-purpose products that you can use all over your face to heal hyperpigmentation, have glowy, dewy skin, and to just hydrate your skin as much as possible. One of the products that I absolutely loved and use every single day religiously to prevent hyperpigmentation and to brighten my skin is the Sunkissed Aloe Rose Toner. This thing is amazing. It's jam-packed with aloe vera, rosehip oil, glycerin, and vitamin E, all of which are naturally lighten the pigmentation of your skin, even your skin texture, and smooth and brighten your skin. This thing is amazing. I use it right after I cleanse my skin, and I recently received one of the best reviews from a client who told me that after 1 week of using the product every single day, she was able to go outside for the first time in a very long time without using any foundation or makeup. That was like one of the best compliments I've ever received on the product, and it's just a testament for what using non-toxic ingredients can do for your skin. The second products that we created in order to help remove hyperpigmentation and to moisturize your skin and lock in that moisture and hydration from other products are the Sunkissed facial oils. Every facial oil is created for a specific skin type. So if you have acne prone or oily skin, you would use the Tamanu. If you have drier skin or aging skin, you would use the rosehip. And if you have combination or normal skin, you would use the carrot seed. And so I personally use the carrot seed facial oil. And what I like about all of the facial oils is that they all contain carrot seed oil, rosehip oil, Tamanu oil, and geranium essential oil, making it jam-packed with a ton of different vitamins that we mentioned today. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and even vitamin E. So it's anti-inflammatory, it's antibacterial, and it's extremely powerful at lightening hyperpigmentation. So if you're looking for solutions to your hyperpigmentation, or if your skin is dull and you're looking to brighten it, it's important to find products that you can combine or use to make your skin feel better, to make your skin feel healthy, and to lighten those dark spots, because I know what a bummer they can be sometimes. I've totally experienced that with this mark right here, but doing all of these different treatments has really helped my skin. And I hope that this video is as useful to you as it was for me in eliminating this mark. And I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share it with someone who's suffering from hyperpigmentation. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you like this video, give it a like, share it around, subscribe, hit the little bell so that you never miss my videos. And I hope to see you guys soon. And remember to always feed your skin like you feed yourself. Love you guys.